Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Bridge on your computer. So for downloading it, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe Creative Cloud. So just wait till this is loading. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed this is showing as open, but in your case this will show as install. So after installing you can open it from here. So after opening, first you have to sign up with your Google account to use it. So after signing in, this screen will show. Now go to apps and now scroll down. So here you can see Adobe Bridge is showing. Now click on install to download it from here absolutely for free. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Also check out other videos on Adobe Creative Cloud. Thanks for watching.